With 2 rounds to go before the 2025 Super Rugby Pacific playoffs, the Swire Shipping Fijian Drua looks to end the season with a high on their last game against the Queensland Reds. The Glenn Jackson coach side is on a break this week after their 38-7 victory over the Western Force at Lautoka's Churchill Park.
To finish well and to win away from home is the Fijian Drua's goal in next weekend's clash against the Reds. In their last encounter, the Fijian Drua beat the Queensland Reds 36 points to 33 in round 12 of the season at Suva's HFC Bank Stadium.
We go to Queensland and we love playing the Reds. I will say it again, Les Kiss was unbelievable and his team in defeat here in Suva, and we're looking forward to finishing the year well and showing this country that this is a very good rugby team.
Jackson acknowledges how tough the season has been for the boys, but he's still proud of the team's efforts.
The challenge is Super Rugby. The challenge, it doesn't matter what side it is. Who's going to know? They've got another game, then we've got to buy, and it's like this competition's so tight. We're going to finish, hopefully, probably only 2 points below where we were last year, and that just shows it. So 2 years ago we were in the top 8. This year you're not, and that's the state of the competition. I love it. I think it's good. The top 6 need to be the top 6, and we've been the last 2 years very lucky to be in the quarters. But I think the way the situation is that you need to win enough games to go on to those quarters. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to a bit of time off, celebrate these guys, and then head to the Queensland.
He adds that the team will have a week off to celebrate and get awarded for their efforts during their official annual presentation night before they return to the field to prepare for the Reds.
Boys a well-deserved couple of days off. Then we've got back on Friday and Saturday we've got our end-of-year awards dinner, which will be a great occasion for everyone involved. That's had a year that I think personally I've loved every moment of what the boys have brought. We're a very tight rugby club. I know not everything's gone the way outside of this rugby club, but in terms of inside the rugby club, I think we've done a great job of staying tight. I get the fans aren't happy with the results, but and they're probably sick and tired of hearing me about how young we are and how inexperienced we are, but that's life of where we're at. So
the Reds will host the Fijian Drua on Saturday, 31st May at Suncorp Stadium in Brisbane at 9:35 p.m. Penina Saunganga, Fiji One News.